vísi frá Kagaðarhóli sem brúnn stjörnóttur, 11 vetra gamall, undan arði frá Brautarholti og óperu frá Dvergsstöðum. Vertu velkomin í Braut, Páll Bragi, og þú mátt hefja þína sýningu, gjörðu svo vel.
And here started. And look at this slow tilt. This horse has extremely beautiful slow tilt. Look at the carriage of the hind legs. How free he is in the shoulders and stays very high with the shoulders. Very nice positive energy here, nice connection. Extremely long strides, and the horse is supple. He's working nicely through the back. You can see how the tail is moving. This is almost everything what you want to see in a slow tilt. And Palli, as you probably know, has done extremely well in this discipline. His best preliminary score is 8.57. And when he is like this in the slow tilt, it is really promising for the tempo changes. Well done. Keeping a good balance up and down. He's riding him a tiny bit lower now with the neck in the slow tilt than I've seen him before, and I think it's just working well. Very, very, very good. Tiny bit uneven, but really well on his feet. But when the horse keeps the shoulders so high, it allows the rider to choose where the neck position is, because he gets such a free neck. And this is a performance, beautiful performance, everything, slow tilt, tempo changes, fast tilt.
Takk fyrir það, Páll Bragi Hólmason og vísir frá Kagaðarhóli.
Something. I don't know what the judges will say.
7,87 í meðalengun og þar með hann í 7. sæti.
But I would not be surprised if he would take the lead. I would not be surprised, but we will see. They will both get 9 points because second position gives 10 points, third position gives 8 points. So Gústi and Árni will get 9 points. But Palli is the winner.
Og það Arnar Þórisson í Englandi sem afhendir honum verðlaun með fulltingi Sóleyjar Margeirsdóttur og Gunnhildar Þórunnar Jónsdóttur. Og ráðherrann með lágatitilinn líka þarna, Áslaug Arna Sigurbjörnsdóttir. Svo stendur vísir frá Kagaðarhóli þarna við endan eins og ekkert sé lætur sér fast.
There we can see the best riders, and in the yellow jacket we have Áslaug Arna Sigurbjörnsdóttir, the Minister of Industry and Industry. Yes.
Yes. Já. Þeir búið að taka myndir af
soon
þá tilkynnum við hvaða lið hefur sigrað liðablandan
I'm going to take a break now, and we will have a break for 30 minutes before the pace starts. And I will see you back.